Hello, Salman. I have a small goat here. Look at here. It's very good. It's very nice. Very beautiful. Now the goat is still eating the leaf. Look at here. Yeah. Salman, do you know the price of the goat? It's only 100,000. Do you want it? It's very cheap. Yeah. It's very cheap. Yeah, very good. Now I'm together here with Oma and Baknisa. Look at here. The kid is so handsome. You're so handsome and so clean. Yeah. Do you know, Salman? This is in Senduro, in Kandang Tepus village here, the road to B29. Yeah, about 20 kilometers again, we will reach B29. Yeah. Here is the panorama surround here. Here is the panorama here. It's cute, it's beautiful, and it's so interesting. Yeah. In front of me is Highway Lumajang B29. Yes. And here is one of the place of processing how to create mozzarella, to make cheese and other product from the original milk product here. Yeah, it's good. Salman, I wait for you here next time. I hope you can join me here. Oh, wow, it's good. Yes. A moment again, we will meet Manisa and Oma. What is it? Relaxing. They are relaxing together here. Look at here. Well, yes. We will be closer and closer to Oma and Baknisa here. Look at here. Oh, very good. They enjoy food and drink together. Yes. Come on, Salman. Let's enjoy together here. Alhamdulillah. Subhanallah, Allahu Akbar. Yes, may Allah will always together with us, Mas Salman. Yes, yes, yes. It's really fantastic taste, Mas Salman. Al Habib, yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Come on, Mas Salman, and memorize your Al Quran first. Thank you so much.